Hello students, welcome back again to today's session from Sri Baswa Public School, Ilkal. Children, today we are going to begin the next chapter from the Unit II-Flora and Fauna, and the chapter name Chapter-6, Ears and Body Hair. So whose ears and body hair we are going to study here? Yes, of course, we are going to study about the animal's ears and body hair. So without wasting our time, let's begin this chapter 6, Ears and Body Hair. Most animals have a hearing range that is greater than our own. Some of the animals, they have a good hearing range and that they can hear easily that even we can't hear. The sounds which is not hearable to human beings, some of the animals will easily hear it. They can easily identify it. So animals like, yes, what is this? Elephants, then rabbits, giraffes and donkeys have long ears. Can you see? These animals have long ears as it is visible outside. And these animals use their ears to drive away insects. What they will do? To drive away the insects. Even other animals like sheep, then goats, cows, dogs and lions have short ears. They have short ears as compared to elephants, rabbits, giraffes and donkeys. And some of the animals, they do not have any external ears. They don't have small or large ears, but they have ears in the form of their holes. Example for such kind of animals are frogs, lizards, birds and snakes. They do not have any external ears. Can you see the ears of these animals? The ears of these animals are not visible, but they do have ears. They have ears in the form of holes. They have only in the form of holes, not external ears. All animals do not have ears on their heads. They don't have ears on their heads only. They can also have the ears on the other parts of their bodies also. Like for example, what is this? Crickets. They have ears on their knees. Where they have on the knee side, they have their ears. Okay. Cockroaches, they have ears on their tail. Where they have on the tail side, they have their ears. But spiders, they do not have any ears, but they have a special hairs on their legs and the feet which will help them to detect the sound vibrations. Those hairs that present on their legs, that will help them to identify the sounds in the air. And they don't have any external ears. In the silence of the desert, especially during night time, sound carries well. In the night time, we can hear the sound clearly. Animals that come out in the cool of the night have excellent hearing. They have very good sense of hearing. It is not only enable them to find out food and hunt prey, but also help them to escape from the predators as well. Bats have an excellent sense of hearing. They have very good sense of hearing. They use it to navigate and hunt in the dark time. Used to find out its prey in the dark time. As these bats emit a very high frequency squeeze that bounces off the wall and the other nearby objects, thus creating an echo. Their huge ears pick up the echoes and that is how they locate their exact position of the objects, including the flying mouths and any prey or any insects. In this way, the bat catches its prey. Did you know, children? Actually, an animal's sense of balance is come from its ear. From where the balance comes from its ears only. That means the ears of these animals play an important role to survive in this world. Okay children, now let's move to the next topic from this chapter, and that is hair and fur. Now let's understand the difference between hair and fur. So all mammals have body hair. Mammals means they should have hair on their body. But some have very thick hair. Some have lot of hair. Those kinds of hair are known as fur. Okay, so hair means the small hair everybody has. All mammals has. But some of the mammals they have lot of hair. So this kind of hair is known as fur. Okay. For example, polar bears, mink. What is this? Mink. Mink is a dark colored semi-aquatic carnivorous animal. Okay, it is also a mammal. It has a thick fur. And also sable. Sable is a small omnivorous mammal and that is inhabited found in forest of Russia. Okay, here in India will not get this animal. It is in the forest of Russia. So these are the animals which have very thick fur on their bodies. So why these animals have very thick fur on their body? Why? Because it's a nature gift, as these animals live in very severe cold climate, as they have to survive in that climate, so that they have very thick fur. It will protect their body from the cold climate. Okay, like for example polar bear. Polar bear can happily stay in a cold climate in the North Pole. Why? Because it has a very thick fur and that will protect its body from the cold climate, very severe cold. Man in his greed hunts these innocent animals. To get their fur, the man are killing those innocent animals to take their fur. What they will do with these fur? What they will do with the skin of these animals? So man will kill and take their fur. What they will do? They prepare and make coats and then sell them to the other people with a high price. They will prepare some coats, jackets and all, and they will sell those jackets to the rich people with the high price. Is it? So for our sake, we are killing those innocent animals. We can prepare these jackets and all with the artificial things too, but we are killing these living animals to take their fur. Okay, so to stop this killing of animal, one organization is came forward, and that is called as a PETA. P-E-T-A. So P stands for people, E stands for ethical, T stands for treatment, and A stands for animals. So what they will do? So full form of PETA is People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, and these organizations help the animals to saving their lives. They will do protest. They will stop the killing of innocent animals. Okay. Also, this organization have succeeded to a large extent. Many well-known personalities, film personalities, models and other celebrities no longer buy or wear these fur coats. So if they come to know this coat is made with the animal fur, then they will not buy it and not wear it. So we should also check it before buying it. If you come to know this coat or thing is made with any animal fur, then we should also not buy it. Even many of these film personalities have become active members of PETA. They too become a member of this organization called PETA. Hence children, it is in your hand. So it is in your hand that if you ever wanted to buy anything that looks furry, check that whether this is man-made or not. Why? Because as many animals including cats and dogs are killed, they are killed each year for their fur. To take their fur, how many cats and dogs we are killing? We are killing lots of cats and dogs. Then which is used to make many things like fur-lined boots, then coats, gloves, pom-poms and other toys. Some toys. To make these all things, we are killing innocent animals. And even if a label says imitation means copying of original, they could be misleading you. Just to avoid penalty, they will do imitation, copy of the original. So don't take a risk and don't buy it. Don't take a chance and don't buy it. Okay. Did you know children, over 30 million animals are killed on fur farms. How much? 30 million animals are killed in a fur farm. And it requires approximately 100 chinchillas to make one human-sized fur coat. How much? To make one human-sized fur coat, we are killing 100 chinchillas. Chinchilla, it's a name of an animal which look little like rabbits and little as rats. So how many chinchillas we are killing? 100. Just to prepare only one human-sized coat. Also, over 2 million cats and dogs are killed each year in one Asian country. See here, in Asia, in only one country, we are killing how much? 2 million cats and dogs. Can you imagine? What about the world? So it's more than that. Okay, and many of them are skin alive. We will take the skin and they will leave them, that they can't survive in the world. So it's a cruelty to those innocent animals. So it's our responsibility to look forward and take care of these animals. And also we should never buy these things which is made up of animals' fur. Okay, if we stop buying these kinds of things, means they will also stop making these kinds of things. Okay children, this complete your chapter ears and body hair. I hope you understood this chapter clearly. Okay, and this is your homework. Draw the ears of these animals. Okay, use pencil to draw it in your EVS textbook.